Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. This is Shibil here and today we have got something exciting from the KTM. They have brought in the new Duke250 to break free from the label called Chapri. And trust me guys, this bike is set to make history. Let's dive into why this beast is a game changer. They have done an excellent job by adding the DRL lights similar to the Duke 390. And it definitely enhances their bike's look. Check out these sharp edged panels. They add such a stylish and aggressive look to the bike. Now, moving on to the suspension. They have equipped the front with WP upside down forks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter how the terrain is. They have positioned the monoshock on the side, which really improves the bike's handling and stability, giving you even better suspension control. Riding this beauty through city traffic, it's smooth as butter. The bike feels light, nimble and extremely agile. Let's not forget about the safety. The Duke 250 is equipped with dual channel ABS, providing confident braking and extra control on road. You can also sport the underbelly exhaust right here on the bike. The statement of balance between performance and style. So if you are in the market for a bike that looks mean and rides like a beast, this is it guys. Now, talking about acceleration, it features ride-by-wire technology delivering quick and responsive throttle control. The new version comes with a TFT display. Just look at this design, dude. It's not only visually impressive, but also feels solid and well built. On the left side, we have got the controls for TFT display along with the switches for hazard lights, indicator and horn. Everything is positioned conveniently, making it easy to access while you ride. Now, let's quickly explore the options available on the TFT display. The TFT display comes up with several features, and one of the cool features which I could find is the ride mode, which has a street and the track option. We do have an option for ABS which has the road and supermoto for engaging and disengaging the ABS. Coming to the bike information, we have the coolant temperature, fuel range, battery information, odometer, upcoming services, and also we have the warning screen in this. Next option is all about the trip information with trip 1 and trip 2. While we have the options for settings like favorites, quick selector, connectivity. We can connect the phone through Bluetooth and we have the quick shifter. To wrap it up, this is a solid bike with a mileage of around 30 km in the city and the current ex-showroom price is approximately 2.4 lakhs. If you like this review, please hit the like button, share your comments below and of course, for this kind of video, share and subscribe.